Hearing loss is very insidious. You don't realize how much you're missing until you get it back. It's not like going blind where you can't see. It's a very gradual process, and you become accustomed to not hearing those sounds. Then when you do get them back, it's a real shock. I didn't even realize my Subaru had a turn indicator. You know, the clicker goes click, click, click. Never heard it.
Hearing loss is something that everybody tells you, and you're like, not me, no, you need to talk louder. I'm not losing my hearing. And so it took me a while to actually go in and see somebody and figure out that it was me. And in that intervening time, you learn how to read lips. You don't realize you're doing it. But I started noticing when people would turn their back to do a presentation at work, I couldn't hear a thing. But when they turned back around to speak, I could hear again.
Hearing should really be evaluated annually for everybody, because you can't really detect small changes in your hearing. The only way to know what's going on with your hearing is to have it evaluated and actually have it measured, because we can't detect those very small changes. It is important to get a baseline and see how you're hearing so that we have something to compare back to in the years to come.
After I realized I had such a severe hearing loss, I've gone back and actually done a lot of things in my shop, and like the earplugs, to try to keep what I've got. So long as it doesn't get worse, as long as I'm holding my own, I'm satisfied with that. The other reason I think it's important to come here is because you do have a full medical staff, so if there was another problem causing my hearing loss, I walk across a hall, I can get an ENT to take a look at it. Rather than strictly looking at hearing aids, my concern was, is there an organic source of the problem other than exposure to noise, which is what caused my problem.